Love Island USA Season 8 Episode 11 Release Date Preview Major Dumping Prediction. Episode 11 of Love Island USA Season 8 drops tonight, Sunday, June 14, 2026, 9 p.m. ET. Exclusive on Peacock. Yes, babe. It's happening right now. Clear your Sunday plan. Where we left off, the episode 9 Boomsell recap. If you missed it, episode 9 was an absolute mess in the best way possible. After the first fan out of the season sent shockwaves through the villa, Beatrice Hedge was officially dumped from the island, packing her bag and leaving in an emotional goodbye after Corbin chose Melanie over her. Corbin was left single and vulnerable after America would then given the power to choose between Beatrice and Melanie. He picked Melanie, leaving Beatrice blindsided and sent home. The new couple after a America fans would soak everything up. Niji at collab, arguably the most predictable coupling of the season, with fans saying they have more in common than almost anyone else in the villa. This left Corbin single and vulnerable. Jane edged Gabriel, less predictable but fans saw it coming, and Corbin ultimately led on to Melanie blowing up the Cinceria-Melanie dynamic completely. The Cinceria versus Melanie chose everything you need to know. This is the storytelling of season 8 right now, and it's only getting messier. Melanie admitted she might be into Corbin while Kenji told her it hurts because Kenji tells Melanie everything and now she can't. Meanwhile, Cinceria was cuddled up with Saul, leaving Melanie spiraling even though she kissed Corbin first. The gaslight is real. Cynthia kissed Saul, Melanie kissed Corbin, and they are both pretending to be upset with each other. The villa is watching this relationship explode in real time. There are also a Brass and Trinity subplot heating up. Brass admitted to Jack that he really not happy with Trinity, which Jack, whose best friend with Brass in the villa, had to told hold back his reaction. A Brass Trinity breakup looks immediate. Who been done so far this season? First, scene relief. Region dumped after Corbin arrived and picked Kenji first, leaving scene the last man standing. Bridge Hatch dumped after Gabriel was paired with Boomsell Jane by America vote and Corbin chose Melanie over her. Episode 11 dumping prediction. Who most at risk? Based on the current villa dynamic heading into tonight, here the tea. High risk. Brias Detolive, his connection with Trinity is clearly frying, and with new himself likely on the way, Brias' loyalty crisis could make him a prime target in a recoupling. Since Ria, the Corbin situation has made him look insecure and indecisive. If another recoupling happens, Melanie choosing Corbin again would leave Sinceria completely exposed. Medium risk Trinity Tatum. If Breas move on, Trinity becomes single overnight. Vesena Montgomery is still on the fringe of the major storyline, making her vulnerable if fan votes come into play. Safest bet. Kenji collab. Fan favorite, their connection is the most organic in the villa right now. Judge navigation the drama well and staying loyal. Anya has stayed out of major conflict and built solid friendship. The fandom is going absolutely feral. Unique users in the Love Island USA app during the first fan out of season 8 were up nearly 350%, whereas season 7 first out and the number of unique users even exceeded season 7 all-time high. The final out by over 1 million people this season is breaking record, and episode 11 is the most anticipated episode yet. How to watch? Platform Peacock exclusive time 9 p.m. to ET 6 p.m. EPT tonight after some unseen footage plus dump Islander interview every Saturday on Peacock hosted by Syria Miller and Tefi Pisoff. New episode stream daily expect Wednesday. Drop your dumping prediction in the comment who will going home in episode 11.